Good day to everyone. I am going to discuss the topic about Chao Juqua's Chu Fanchi. First, who is Chao Juqua? Chao Juqua is a Chinese trade official and a member of the imperial family of the Song dynasty, superintendent and commissioner of customs in Zilan Choufu. The Chu Fanchi is a unique historical record, meaning description of the barbarian peoples, in a 13th century account of trade and foreign cultures by Chinese official Chao Juqua. It provides valuable insights into the Chinese-Arab trade with Malabar during this period. Background: the roots of Chinese-Malabar trade. Early trade involved overland routes through northern Pegu, also known as Burma, in the 2nd century AD. Maritime trade began in the 7th century via Siam, or also known as Thailand. Chinese account mention sea trades with India as early as 120 BC. Tribute was often confused with trade, involving bilateral exchange of goods. Major trading partners with China included India, Arabia, and Persia. Expanding trade networks and the role of a canton. Arab trade routes emerged in the 8th century, with Kilion becoming a key port for Arab ships. Large Arab or Indian ships entered Canton Harbor, requiring ladders for unloading. The Canton colony became predominantly Muslims, with numerous Persians and Arabs. Another port, Zaytun, gained popularity in the 9th century, but the region's revolt led to many foreigners relocating to West Malaysia. Chinese shipping and the rise of the junk. Chinese shipping flourished between the 9th and 12th centuries, reaching Malay, Indonesian, and other Far Eastern ports. The lucrative trade was managed directly by the Chinese monarchies. By the 12th century, Chinese junks, or square-shaped ships, began calling at Kilion. Chinese ships were noted for their size and capacity, often carrying hundreds of men. Chao Juqua's insights into Malabar trade. Chao Juqua, as an inspector of foreign trade, documented the trade practices and goods exchange. Malabar exported cotton and spices, especially pepper, while importing silk and porcelain from China. The Philippines in the Chu Fanchi. Mayi appeared in Song dynasty sources in 982 AD. Chao Juqua, a Chinese trade official, gave a detailed account of his trip to various islands in the Philippines in 1225, which he called the country of Mayi. Barter is the system of trading. The official's place, or also called as place of the mandarins, was the place for the bartering of the country. There are two customs of trade. First is the savage trader, assembled in crowds and carry the goods away with them in baskets. The second one is savage traders will carry the goods onto other islands for barter. These are the foreign products that are imported in the Philippines. First is the porcelain, trade gold, iron censers, lead, colored glass beads, and iron needles. And these are the products of the country: yellow wax, cotton, pearls, tortoise shell, medicinal betel nuts, and yuta cloth. These are the cultural insights into the Philippines. Chao Juqua provide valuable insights into the customs and practices of the Filipinos during the 13th century. In terms of society, he mentions the presence of various kingdoms and chiefdoms, with a hierarchical social structure. In religion, he describes the Filipinos as animistic, worshipping spirits and ancestors. In language, he notes the use of distinct languages and dialects across the island.